Welcome to this session on displaying material master records in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to access and review detailed information about a material such as its description, planning data, procurement strategy, and production timelines. Master data is foundational to nearly every process in SAP, and understanding how to navigate it effectively is key to supporting operations, supply chain planning, and procurement accuracy. You'll follow the step-by-step process to open the display screen, select the specific views you want to analyze, and interpret important fields such as MRP type, procurement type, and work scheduling details. This helps you understand not only how to use the system, but why the data matters. Let's consider how this works in a global organization like Pepsi. At Pepsi, thousands of materials from packaging and sweeteners to promotional items are managed across plants worldwide. For example, a packaging planner in Germany may need to check if a specific bottle cap is produced in-house or sourced externally. By using the material master display, they can quickly confirm the procurement type, view scheduling lead times, and coordinate with production teams accordingly. Meanwhile, a procurement analyst in the US might use the MRP data to review planning types and adjust purchase order timing to avoid overstocking. And in India, a production scheduler can check processing time values to build accurate manufacturing schedules for new product launches. Pepsi's ability to manage thousands of materials across diverse operations depends heavily on accurate and accessible material master data, viewed and interpreted correctly by the right people at the right time. Now think about your own role. Are you confident locating and reviewing material master records? Do you know how to read the planning and procurement views? Could understanding this data improve collaboration between your team and others? Let's begin by walking through the material master display process and explore how this data supports efficient, informed decision making across your organization. To begin, navigate to the material master display screen from the SAP Easy Access menu. This screen is used to review and analyze all critical information associated with a specific material in the system. Follow these steps to access the screen. From the SAP Easy Access screen, go to the following menu path: Logistics, Production, Master Data, Material, Display, Current. This path takes you directly to the screen where you can retrieve and review existing material master data. Alternatively, for faster navigation, you can use the transaction code MM03 in the command field and press enter. This is the standard SAP shortcut used to display an existing material master record. Once the display material initial screen appears, locate the material field and enter the material number you want to display. This number uniquely identifies the material across the system and is essential for retrieving its master data. Click on the Selective Views button to define which views of the material data you'd like to review. SAP allows users to view the material data from different perspectives, each view offering specific information relevant to distinct business processes. From the list of available views, select the following. Basic Data 1. This view contains general material information such as descriptions, units of measure, and basic classifications. MRP1. This section contains key planning details required for material requirements planning. MRP2. This view adds further depth to planning and includes procurement strategy and lot sizing procedures. Work scheduling. This view holds information related to production scheduling such as in-house processing times and lead times. Click on Org Levels to specify the organizational context of the data you're viewing. In the organizational levels dialog box, enter 1000 in the plant field and click Continue. This plant number represents the physical location where the material is managed and used, ensuring that the displayed data is specific to that site. Once inside the basic data one view, you'll see the name of the material, for example, pump and other general attributes. This confirms that you're reviewing the correct material. To check the material type, click on the Information on Material button. The system will reveal that this material belongs to the finished goods category. This means it is a fully manufactured item, ready for sale or internal use in production. Now navigate to the MRP1 view. Here, observe the MRP type field. If the value displayed is PD, this indicates that the material is planned using Material Requirements Planning. MRP ensures that required materials are always available for production by calculating needs based on current demand and inventory levels. This proactive planning approach helps minimize shortages and excess stock. Next, proceed to the MRP2 view. Check the Procurement Type field to determine the sourcing method for the material. If the value is E, it means the material is produced in-house, manufactured internally rather than purchased from an external vendor. This classification is essential for aligning production planning and resource allocation across departments. Now move to the work scheduling view. In this view, review the in-house production time, setup time, interoperation time, and processing time fields. These values provide a breakdown of how long it takes to manufacture the product internally. This data is essential for building accurate production timelines and planning deliveries that meet customer expectations. Once you've reviewed the necessary information, click the Exit button to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. By following this process, you can display and analyze comprehensive material master data in SAP, enabling informed decisions about production planning, procurement, and inventory control. Great job completing this walkthrough on how to display material master data in SAP. You've now seen how to locate a material record, select specific views for analysis, and interpret key fields related to general information, planning methods, procurement types, and production timing. This process is more than just system navigation. It gives you visibility into the core data that drives purchasing, manufacturing, and inventory planning. Whether you're using this information to answer a quick question or to support a larger planning process, accurate interpretation of material master data ensures smoother operations and smarter decisions. Let's return to the Pepsi example one more time. Whether it's a planner verifying production lead times for a seasonal product, a buyer confirming the sourcing strategy for a key ingredient, or a warehouse team checking the material description for labeling accuracy, everyone relies on a shared view of master data to keep operations moving. In your own work, consider this. Are you leveraging material master data to its full potential? Do you understand what each view means and how it impacts decisions? Could improving your comfort with this screen support more accurate planning, better communication, or fewer delays? With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to support your team and your organization with accurate, actionable material data. Keep practicing. Your SAP confidence continues to grow.